welcome to Iscar Plus, where we say no to slow when it comes to machining. When it comes to live touring lathes like the one behind me, our choices of cutters were quite limited. It predominantly came from the fact we didn't have much of a solution in mounting them. But with ear collars being more and more common in these live touring lathes, Multi-Master has come to play with an innovative new solution. Let's have a look. This is the ER collar series from Multi-Master. They start from ER11 and goes all the way up to ER32 and covers all Multi-Master thread sizes. What this is going to allow you is to use many different sizes of threaded end mills and also solid end mills. So now you're not limited to many small sizes. This also means there's minimal setup time, and with limited space to work in machines like these, changing tools in and out becomes a breeze. So talk to us today about the Multi-Master ER collars and see how you can reduce the setup time. So until next time, it's goodbye.